Viking, wake up. Sun already high. Viking, angry. Day already half gone. Viking, look around. House warm. Food easy. No enemy. No hunger. No danger. This is problem. Modern man live like king, but act like child. Discipline is born from pressure. No pressure, no discipline. Viking, explain. In old times, Viking wake before sun. If Viking sleep too long, ship leaves without him. If Viking lazy, tribe starves. If Viking weak, Viking dies. Discipline was not choice. Discipline was survival. Modern man wake when he wants, eat when he wants, sleep when he wants, quit when he feels bad. Modern man say, I don't feel like it today. Viking laugh. Viking never feel like a rowing ship in a storm. Viking row anyway. Because discipline is not feeling. Discipline is rule. Modern man wake and grab glowing rune box. Scroll faces. Scroll bodies. Scroll fake lives. Brain get easy pleasure. No effort. No work. No pain. Brain learn wrong lesson. Brain say, why work hard when pleasure come easy? So modern man avoid hard things. Avoid gym. Avoid silence. Avoid boredom. Avoid discomfort. Viking love discomfort. Cold water. Heavy stone. Long march. These build discipline. Modern man avoid sleep schedule. Sleep at random time. Wake tired. Drink black water. Still tired. Viking sleep. Same time every night. Wake same time every morning. Even on rest day. Because body love order. Modern man eat like pig. Sugar, soft bread, liquid calories. Then wonder why body weak. Viking eat simple food, meat, egg, roots, water. Fuel for work, not pleasure. Modern man train soft. Many machines, little weight. Phone between sets. Viking lift heavy stone, push, pull, carry, rest little. Leave tired. Hard training build hard mind. Modern man stress all day. Work stress. Girl stress. Money stress. Noise stress. Cortisol high. Testosterone low. Discipline gone. Viking finish work. Then rest. No endless worry. Because Viking know stress without action is poison. So how modern man get discipline? Simple. Wake early. Same time. Every day. Sleep in dark. No glowing box at night. Eat real food. Stop snacking like rat. Lift heavy things. 3 to 4 times per week. Do hard thing first every day. Even when you don't want. Especially when you don't want. Discipline is muscle. Use it or lose it. Modern man wait for motivation. Viking move without it. And this is why modern men have no discipline. Not because they are broken, but because life is too easy. Viking make life harder and become strong again.